This time of year always feels like a natural reset for me. I have a mid-December birthday, so after that, the rest of the month, just slow everything down. Part of that whole reset is giving the guitars a little bit of TLC. Nothing dramatic, just the usual ritual I often do when I'm changing strings. I use this Daddario instrument care kit. It comes in this awesome padded case, which suits my tidy needs quite well. Got my neck cradle to rest the guitar neck on, and this non-slip mat. I always start by polishing the frets. We've got this little case that's got these cloths, abrasive on one side. This is what I've done already. We cut out these fret templates and then they just sit over the fret. Take the cloth, ...2025's been quite a big year for me actually, on my humble channel. It was my third year uploading videos in November, and the same weekend I passed 20,000 subscribers, both incredibly motivating milestones. I've interacted with some super people. This bit always feels like the guitar fretboard is sighing. A nice gentle sigh. Hydration. Conditioner. A nice little bit of attention. Just wipe that on and then wipe it right back off, and we've got a lovely, clean, new looking fretboard. Only for unfinished wood, by the way. You need to clean your maple necks slightly differently. And then the last things we do on here are give the guitar a little polish and a wax, pop it on with a cloth in a circular motion. Wait till it dries and goes a bit hazy, and then we can buff it off till our guitar is shining like new. One of my favourite bits is the string cleaner. I do this generally after I've been playing. So we just got this little wipey thing here and we are good to go. So that's my little end of year ritual. I'm going to swap this cold coffee for something a little bit stronger and properly clock off. How about you? See you next time.